everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. How do you make crafts from bamboo craft, coconut craft, paper crafts, glass crafts, cement crafts, iron crafts? We will bring you crafts of different designs. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Handmade crafts from different countries and abroad can be seen through channels. We can also buy our handmade products. Our address: Niku Art and Craft Industry, Tipomia, Sivasagr, Assam. Contact number +918822192081, +918133913067.